Hello, parents of AM kindergarten and transitional kindergarten students. This is Mr. Coley, and I wanted to put together this short video just to share a couple of reminders regarding drop-off of your TK or kindergarten student in the morning. Well, as you know, the gate to the kindergarten area that you see right here opens at 8:25 in the morning. The teachers open that gate, and you can come on in and drop your child off at his or her classroom. What I want to remind everyone about is when you've dropped your son or daughter off and it's time to leave, we want to make sure that everyone is leaving through the gate that you see here. The other gates in the kindergarten area should not be used in the morning. And what we've been seeing happen is we have some older siblings, some first through fifth graders that are perhaps dropping off their kindergarten brother or sister. If you have an older student who is dropping off your kindergartner, we need that student to, once they've dropped off the kindergartner, to exit through the gate that you see here and then walk along the front of the school and enter campus through the double gates that you see here between the office and our old multi-purpose room. And then they'll head through there and hang a right and head on out to the playground. The one thing that we're trying to avoid, the other gates in the kindergarten area. For example, the gate here between Mrs. Petrucci's classroom and the first grade classrooms. This should not be used to exit the kindergarten area in the morning, nor should the short gate that you see here, which leads to the gate next to Miss Piavarsik's classroom in the first grade building there. And the reason is these gates lead to the quad area that you can see right here. And in the morning at drop-off time, we do not have supervision. We're not able to provide supervision in this area. And we need to make sure that everyone is in an area where they are properly supervised. So just wanted to remind everyone, again, the gates between Mrs. Petrucci's class, this gate here, and this one should not be used in the morning. If you have an older sibling that has dropped off the kindergartner and then needs to head to campus, remember we would want them to exit through the front gate here, walk along the front of the school, and then enter campus right here. And one final reminder, parents, when you're picking up your AM kindergartner, please, what we're trying to avoid is having students then play on the playground after their school day is done. A couple of reasons for that. Number one, once again, we do not have the adequate supervision out there. And I know sometimes it's easy for parents to get talking and have the kids play on the playground, but once again, we're responsible for those kids while they're on campus, and we do not have the supervision out there. But equally as important is it is a distraction for the PM kindergarten students. When they are looking out the window and seeing kids playing on the playground or hearing the yelling and the laughing and kids having a good time on the playground, it is a distraction. So once again, when you pick your child up, please, we need you to kind of grab their things and then head on off campus. You feel free to talk outside of the gate, but again, we need everyone to kind of move off campus once again so we can close the gate and secure our campus. So if you have any questions, please feel free to swing by the office. I'd be happy to talk about this with you. Thank you so much for your support with this, and have a great evening.